So you can see my Jetta TDI has left a nice little oil trail. What I found when I opened my hood, giant oil mess here, and oh my god, everything just covered in oil. Like, look at the puddle of oil on the valve cover. It's like, you know, that's bad. There's oil on everything. This thing used to be clean before. And I've got just touching on the dipstick. Just touching. When I found out what it is, my oil feed line for the turbo, right there, cracked. And it was just pissing oil all over the engine bay. So I've gone and purchased a braided oil feed line, braided tube, flexible, so hopefully it won't crack again. That's really shitty. But actually, you know what? I think my camera's all fogged up. That's not really much better. But yeah, so I would suggest to anybody replace that line before that happens to you. Luckily, I was extremely close to home, like less than a minute away. If I would have been a little bit further, it would have puked all my oil out, and I would have been stranded. And I'm really worried about my turbo now because obviously it wasn't getting the oil pressure it needed. So I don't know. We're gonna have to see.